Emotional awareness is the ability to recognize and understand one's own emotions and the emotions of others. This essential skill influences personal development and relationships, helping individuals navigate their internal and external worlds. By cultivating emotional awareness, people gain a deeper understanding of themselves and others, leading to more fulfilling relationships. Emotional awareness involves identifying and naming emotions as they arise, requiring mindfulness and a non-judgmental attitude. This practice enables individuals to observe their emotional states without reacting impulsively, leading to better decision-making and problem-solving. Being emotionally aware enhances empathy and communication, fostering stronger connections. In professional settings, it contributes to effective leadership, teamwork, and conflict resolution. However, barriers like cultural norms and societal expectations can hinder emotional awareness. Overcoming these requires mindfulness practices, emotional intelligence training, and supportive environments for emotional expression. We could say that emotional awareness is vital for personal growth and interpersonal effectiveness, transforming how individuals navigate their internal and external worlds. Emotional awareness is grounded in neuroscience and psychology, providing a scientific understanding of how emotions are processed and regulated. The brain's limbic system, particularly the amygdala, plays a crucial role in detecting and responding to emotional stimuli. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for higher-order thinking, helps modulate these emotional responses, enabling thoughtful decision-making. Psychological theories, such as emotional intelligence, EI, proposed by Daniel Goleman, emphasize the importance of recognizing and managing emotions. EI encompasses self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills, all of which contribute to emotional awareness. Research shows that individuals with high EI are better at handling stress, communicating effectively, and resolving conflicts. Functional MRI studies reveal that mindfulness practices, such as meditation, can enhance emotional awareness by increasing activity in brain areas associated with attention and emotional regulation. These practices help individuals observe their emotions without immediate reaction, fostering a more balanced and thoughtful response. Understanding the science behind emotional awareness underscores its significance. By recognizing the neural and psychological mechanisms at play, individuals can better appreciate the importance of developing this skill. Emotional awareness not only improves personal well-being, but also enhances interpersonal relationships and professional success, making it a critical component of overall mental health. Emotional awareness has profound implications for everyday life, influencing how individuals handle personal and professional situations. In personal relationships, being emotionally aware helps people navigate conflicts more effectively. By recognizing their own emotions and those of their partners, they can address issues with empathy and understanding, leading to healthier and more satisfying relationships. At work, emotional awareness is equally critical. It enhances communication, teamwork, and leadership. An emotionally aware leader can read the emotional climate of their team, provide support where needed, and motivate employees more effectively. This skill also aids in conflict resolution, enabling individuals to manage disputes calmly and constructively. In social settings, emotional awareness allows for better interactions with friends and acquaintances. Recognizing social cues and responding appropriately helps build stronger connections and fosters a sense of community. Practically, emotional awareness can be cultivated through simple daily practices. Keeping a journal to reflect on emotional experiences, practicing mindfulness to stay present, and engaging in regular self-reflection can all enhance one's ability to recognize and understand emotions. Additionally, seeking feedback from trusted individuals can provide new perspectives and deepen emotional insight. Overall, integrating emotional awareness into daily life can transform personal relationships, professional environments, and social interactions, leading to a more empathetic, effective, and harmonious existence. Developing emotional awareness involves intentional practice and consistent effort. Here are 10 effective strategies to help cultivate this essential skill. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Practice staying present, observing thoughts and emotions without judgment. 2. Journaling. Regularly write down your feelings and thoughts to gain clarity and insight into your emotional patterns. 3. Breathing techniques. Use deep breathing exercises to center yourself and manage emotional responses. 4. Self-reflection. Take time to reflect on emotional triggers and reactions, identifying underlying causes. 5. Non-reactive observation. Observe emotions as they arise without immediately reacting, allowing space for thoughtful responses. 6. Empathy development. Practice empathy towards yourself and others, enhancing emotional connections. 7. Emotional labeling. Accurately name your emotions to better understand and manage them. 8. Cognitive reappraisal. Reframe negative thoughts and experiences to find positive perspectives. 9. Seeking feedback. Ask trusted individuals for their perspectives on your emotional reactions to gain deeper insight. 10. Professional support. Consider therapy or counseling to develop emotional awareness with professional guidance. These strategies, when practiced consistently, can significantly enhance emotional awareness. By incorporating mindfulness, empathy, and reflective practices, individuals can better understand their emotions, leading to improved mental health and more harmonious relationships. The long-term benefits of maintaining emotional awareness are profound, impacting both personal and professional aspects of life. Consistently practicing emotional awareness leads to improved mental health, as individuals become better equipped to manage stress, anxiety, and depression. By understanding and addressing their emotions, people can prevent negative feelings from overwhelming them, fostering a sense of inner peace and resilience. In relationships, emotional awareness enhances empathy and communication, leading to deeper connections and more harmonious interactions. Individuals who are emotionally aware can navigate conflicts with greater ease, understanding their own and others' emotional states, which facilitates more constructive and compassionate resolutions. Professionally, maintaining emotional awareness contributes to effective leadership and teamwork. Leaders who are emotionally aware can inspire and motivate their teams, creating a positive and productive work environment. Emotional awareness also aids in conflict resolution and decision-making, allowing for more thoughtful and balanced approaches to workplace challenges. To sustain emotional awareness, it's crucial to integrate these practices into daily life. Regular mindfulness meditation, journaling, and self-reflection help maintain a high level of emotional awareness. Engaging in ongoing learning about emotional intelligence and seeking support from mentors or therapists can also provide valuable insights and reinforce emotional skills. In conclusion, the long-term benefits of emotional awareness include enhanced mental health, stronger relationships, and professional success. By making a conscious effort to maintain this awareness, individuals can lead more balanced, empathetic, and fulfilling lives.